Hello everybody, it's story time! But before we read our story, a quick message to the parents. Yes, you can book a free trial class for your child with me by using the web address below. I'd love to help your child start the journey of learning English. Now to today's story. It's called 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's all about counting. Okay, so everybody look. This is number 1. Number 1, okay? And here is 1 smiley fox. That's right, 1 smiley fox. Okay. And here is number 2. Number 2. Yes, and these are 2 birds. Okay, so we say 1 bird. 2 birds. Yes, and they are sleeping birds. 2 sleeping birds. Okay. Moving on, we have some flowers. Yes. How many flowers? How many flowers? There are 3 flowers. 3 lovely flowers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next number. We have number 4. 4 happy dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4 happy dogs. Okay. After 4 comes 5. 5 bobbing boats. Yes, 1 boat, 2 boats, 3 boats, 4 boats, 5 boats. Yes. And look, here is number 6. Yes. And these are crocodiles. Yeah, they are 6 snapping crocodiles. Crocodiles snap their teeth like this. Yes. Okay. Look, it's number 7. 7 friendly lions. Look at all the lions. There are 7 of them. Yes. Here is number 8. And look, umbrellas. We have 8 spotty umbrellas. And can you see the yellow spots? Yes, the umbrellas have yellow spots. All right. Moving on. Everyone, look, we have got kites. Yes. Number 9. 9 flying kites. These kites fly. Yes. Here is this kite is red and white. This kite is blue and white. Okay. Finally, our last number of the day. Here is number 10. 10. This is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 swimming fish. Yes, that's what fish do. They swim. They swim. Yes. Okay. And everybody look. We've got a rocket. Yes. Now we're going to count from 10 down to 1 and then the rocket will blast off. Okay, count down with me. Count down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Yay! That is it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.